public exchange of remarks between popular Jatra actors Piyush Tripathi and Rani Panda has sparked fresh discussion among theatre audiences in Odisha. The contrasting views were shared during their recent appearances at the Bharuneswar Mela in Binjarpur of Jajpur district, drawing wide attention from spectators. Speaking candidly, actress Rani Panda said that in the present times, controversy often adds to an artist's popularity. Referring to Piyush Tripathi, she described him as a silent actor who speaks less, smiles, and cleverly wins over audiences. According to her, the recent controversies surrounding him have only increased his public appeal. Rani Panda further stated that true measure of this growing craze would have been seen at the upcoming Khandagiri Jatra, where audience response would reveal the real impact. Responding to the comments, Piyush Tripathi struck a calm and composed note. He said he remains unaffected by what others say about him and firmly believes that everything happens according to the will of God. Emphasizing faith over controversy, he remarked that whatever God decides will ultimately come to pass. Both artists were seen together at the Bharuneswar Mela, where their presence created considerable buzz. The differing perspectives have added fresh intrigue to the Jatra circuit, heightening anticipation ahead of the Khandagiri Jatra.
कंट्रोवर्सी जो करूछंती एमाने गोटे पब्लिसिटी पाई कंट्रोवर्सी करूछंती से देखले कंट्रोवर्सी न कले हमर पब्लिक सपोर्ट मिलिबो नाही ओडिसा रे कंट्रोवर्सी जार से ही पब्लिसिटी रे रहे तो एटा एक प्रकार कंट्रोवर्सी बोली हमें कहि परिबा तार एटीट्यूड ता कथावार्ता तार जो ढंग रंग रे से रहूची से पूरा अति चतुर काम करूची अति चतुर काम पूरा साइलेंटले से वाइब्रेट काम करूची
षडयंत्र भगवान भी करा जायतिला जोड़ी भगवान षडयंत्र रो शिकार होउचंती आमे तो सार मनीष आमे केवल कर्म करबा सार आमे भगवान भगवान किछि लोक मन भगवान समस्त को सद्बुद्धि दियंतु आ समय सेठी नाही जे आमे आर गोड़ टाणीबा तार गोड़ टाणीबा कथा अबिका न्यायालय रे अछि केवल यात्रा करिया पई परमिशन मिलिछि किंतु केस चलिबो तेणु से विषय केस विषय आमे कथा